Living in warm and humid zones 8 or 9, stop fighting the intense southern heat to keep exotic Japanese plants alive. Here are the ultimate native swaps. Rapid fire, let's go. Instead of a Japanese maple that gets its leaves scorched by August, ask for a native fringe tree or sweet bay magnolia. You get incredible architecture that actually loves the humidity. Skip the struggling Japanese black pine. Grab a native loblolly pine. When you limb up the lower branches, it creates a towering, rugged evergreen anchor with beautifully textured bark. Want the breathtaking beauty of a cherry blossom without the heat stress? Plant a Carolina silverbell. You get stunning, delicate, bell-shaped spring blooms that handle the south perfectly. Need a tall, evergreen background screen? Don't buy a Japanese cedar. An eastern red cedar or southern magnolia provides a majestic, impenetrable green wall. Weeping willows are beautiful but incredibly messy. Try a native bald cypress. It has feathery, delicate foliage, loves wet areas, and gives you that ancient, sweeping focal point. For those tightly sheared Karakomi domes, skip the boxwoods. Use Florida anise. It's an evergreen that loves the humid understory and shears perfectly into rolling hills. Want bamboo without creating an invasive nightmare in your yard? Plant native river cane or switchgrass. They provide that perfect, rustling vertical privacy screen. Hostas practically melt in southern Augusts. Swap them for dwarf palmetto or dwarf oakleaf hydrangea to get that bold, broadleaf texture to soften your stone lanterns. Instead of a delicate painted fern that needs constant babying, plant a native cinnamon fern. It's dramatic, tough, and thrives right next to your water basins in the heat. Forget trying to keep velvet moss from rotting. Native frogfruit is an incredibly tough, low-growing creeper that gives you a lush green carpet and actually takes foot traffic. Instead of planting invasive monkey grass or liriope along your borders, use native Texas sedge. It softens your stone paths with beautiful, cascading green tufts. Want the complete nursery cheat sheet for every single growing zone? Grab our premium native plant substitution guide at the link in the description below. Take this list to your local nursery, plant native, and start building your bulletproof Zen garden. Subscribe for more, and happy gardening!